Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start in the Watch app on your iPhone, tap Face Gallery and pick a base face you like. Once selected, tap Customize to change the dial, color, and which complications appear. This determines glanceable data. Make deliberate choices, choose one core complication for quick access, then add supporting ones. While customizing, check the preview at top. It shows the watch display. When satisfied, tap Add to My Faces so your design is saved and ready to sync. Now refine complications. This is where you make the face truly useful. Tap any complication slot, then select an app or data type. Pick one that serves your daily needs like activity rings or calendar. Once chosen, change color and style to improve legibility, darker text for bright photos, bold for quick reads. Make sure frequently used items occupy prominent slots and use the preview to confirm spacing and clarity. When done, tap Done. This lock finish by tapping Add to My Faces, then switch to My Watch to set it as your active face. You can also long press the watch screen and swipe to select it. Syncing is automatic. Make sure your iPhone is nearby and Bluetooth is on while the watch updates. If the face doesn't appear or complications don't update, restart the Apple Watch first, power off then on. If that fails, toggle Bluetooth and retry. These steps clear common sync hiccups and restore the new face quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.